We're the Redneck Redcoats, and we're sailing SV fresh to Solden.
We're on a journey, looking back on the things that we've taken for granted, but feels like we're learning to be better without what's been holding us back now. Let's move closer to a new history, find out what we can be together. Take my hand and we will conquer the world. This is our final chance. 'Cause one day we'll be looking back at this. We were in a big mess together. Oh, but we found a way to choose right from wrong. We found the strength to go on together. To go on together. To go on together.
What are you doing?
Huh?
What are you doing?
We're actually leaving the dock.
And going where?
We is going to fuel up, and then hang on a minute, I'm not in the channel. And then we're heading south. We're heading south. Finally. 5-6 months later.
Oh yeah.
Pretty excited.
We're actually doing this. Like we are finally going sailing for good.
All the stress, all the heartache.
Was it worth it?
I'll tell you when we get to Florida.
Town dock, because that's where we can get fuel at. Fill up with fuel. Where's our first stop?
Beaufort.
We're saying Beaufort, but if we make good time, we might go all the way to Cape Lookout, right? Ultimately, we want to get to Cape Lookout for a couple of days, and then head on to Wilmington. So, what did we learn?
Stick to the channel.
What happened?
Tried to cut corners and we got stuck.
Steven took a Dodger down just for me, because I can't see. What are you taking?
No way.
So where are we headed to right now?
Both of them.
How big it is. No, it's a boat. I guess people would be living in it.
We've got an hour and a half of sunlight left. It's about that amount of time to get to the inlet that we need to get to. So let's go for it. Yeah?
Does that mean we're going to put up our sails?
Yes. My motor sails just to get some extra speed. So.
Alright. How's the water?
Rolling.
Can you feel every second of the last 3 months that we weren't sailing?
Yeah.
In your body right now? I definitely can.
After anchoring, we found a good spot, but the next day came the biggest surprise.
Look! Oh my gosh! Look, 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 look! Slow down, Steven, slow down! He's right here! He's right there! Oh, right there! Oh, right there! Oh my god, do you see him? He was swimming with us! Oh, hi! Right there! Yes. Turn it! Slowly, 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 slowly! Oh my god. Slowly, stop, slowly. Look! Oh my gosh, they're so close!
There must have been between 10 and 15 dolphins within this one particular pod. They swam with us underneath the dinghy for at least 20 minutes. Which, when you consider that our dinghy doesn't go particularly fast with all 5 of us in, because it's only a 15 horsepower motor, it was pretty cool nonetheless.
We're following it.
Other than a lighthouse, it's hard to miss this 163-foot tall lighthouse. It was made to be noticed, to warn ships away from the shoals off the cape. But there is more to the Cape Lookout light station than the lighthouse. The light could not function without its many supporting features. So there was a storage shed, an oil house, a summer kitchen, primary keeper's headquarters, assistant keeper's headquarters. I wonder why the assistant keeper's headquarters were bigger than the primary keeper's headquarters.
That's still
There
there.
was probably multiple people staying here and only one person staying there.
John Quidley was one of the 3 uniformed keepers here at Cape Lookout from 1905 to 1906. He was ranked second assistant keeper, but noticed that his colour rank only has the number I for first assistant keeper, showing that his photo was taken after he had been promoted sometime after 1906. Also noticed that the lighthouse insignia on his cap, the lighthouse service, was a uniform service like the US Coast Guard or the US Army today. Hey, we just wanted to say thank you for watching our video, and if you're new here, think about clicking on that subscribe button. That way you'll get to know the new videos when they come out. And if you've liked what we've shown in the video, how about clicking on that like button? It would really help us out. Having lived here over 15 years, I'm just starting to explore some of the history that America has to offer. The fact that this particular building has been here over 150 years, and there were people that worked here, lived here, stories that could have been told and have probably been long forgotten. The fact that there was a uniformed service dedicated just to the lighthouses that no longer exists or has been absorbed into the modern day US Coast Guard. Totally amazing sight, very beautiful, and would definitely recommend it to anybody passing by. I have no idea. Looks like a piece of coral. A bone. It's a bone.
Oh.
Looks like a hip bone of something.
Oh, I picked it up, yeah.
Yeah, we're fine.
Must be hyenas around this place then.
Nah, foxes, coyotes.
Something I learned recently is that whales have hip bones, because at some point Mother Nature was like, yes, whales should have legs. Yeah, that's normal, that's good. Whales should definitely have legs. We're doing that.
That's why they're mammals.
Yeah. Actually, no, they're mammals because they're warm-blooded creatures that grow hair and give life birth.
Yeah. Kind of like these. This is kind of neat. All these trees. What do you think?
That was the most amazing. Lexi, continue what you're doing. You're flossing. Oh, that record you flossing. No. Yeah.
What's flossing?
I took some dental floss and just flossed it.
Fortnite
dance. No, I didn't do that. She was flossing her teeth.
What was that?
I don't know.
Not as beautiful as you.
I beg.
What did you find in the sand?
I threw something in the sand.
What did you draw?
I wrote Lemanberg lives on. Because in its canon universe, it was blown up.
What?
Lemanberg.
Lemanberg lives on.
Mm-hmm. The name was basically made to try and sound as European as possible. Because all the residents were British.
Yeah?
Yeah. So they made the name to sound as British as possible.
Alright. It's alright. Yeah, keep walking. Can you imagine this but warmer? It's gonna be fun.
Still never didn't do much for Halloween.
Yeah, you got candy, that's all you need.
I like going out and like being in costume. Minnows here, a lot of them.
Yeah? Hey, you enjoying yourself?
Yeah. Did you see the beach on the other side?
Yeah. I'm amazed at how clear the water is.
Look, that is pretty amazing. Look.
That was pretty cool. One of the oldest lighthouse spots in the US. Pretty cool. Unfortunately, we couldn't go in it because apparently it's structurally unsound right now. It's going to take them another 2 to 3 years to actually repair everything. So maybe next time we'll come through. We got to go up it.